What is the difference between hash include less than symbol file greater than symbol and hash include in quotations file? So when writing your C program, you can include file in two ways. The first way is to surround the file you want to surround the file you want to include in angled brackets. This method of inclusion tells the preprocessor to look for the file in the predefined default location. This predefined default location is often an include environment variable that denotes the path your include files. For instance, given the include variable include equal to C colon compiler slash include or S colon slash source slash headers. Using hash include angled file in the angled bracket version of file inclusion, the compiler then checks the directory for the specified file. If the file is not found there, the compiler then checks with the S colon slash source slash headers directory. If the file is still not found, the preprocessor checks the current directory. The second way to include the files is to surround the file you want to include with double quotation marks. This method of inclusion tells the preprocessor to look for the file in the current directory first, then look for it in the predefined location you have set up. Using the hash include file in quotations version of file inclusion and applying it to the preceding example, the preprocessor first checks the current directory for the specified file. If the file is not found in the current directory, the preprocessor checks in S slash source slash headers directory. The hash include file method of file inclusion is often used to include standard headers such as stdio.h, stdlib.h. This is because these headers are rarely modified and they should always be read from your compiler standard include file directory. The hash include file method inclusion is often used to include non-standard header files that you have created for use in your program. This is because these headers are often modified in the current directory and you will want the preprocessor to use your newly modified version of the header rather than the older unmodified version.